Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Starlink how to secure network. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to secure your Starlink network, the first thing that you can do is change your Wi-Fi name and password. So to do it, simply head over and open up your Starlink application, and then once you're inside, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then simply tap on sign in to sign into your Starlink account. Then once you're logged into the Starlink account, here what you need to do is just simply tap on settings. Then once you're inside settings, here what you need to do is tap on your Wi-Fi name and then simply set a unique Wi-Fi name, SSID and strong password from 12 characters or mix of letters, numbers and symbols. This blocks unauthorized access immediately. Then second is use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Starlink routers use WPA2, WPA3 by default. Do not lower security or use open Wi-Fi. If you see an option for WPA3, enable it. Then next is to check connected devices. So simply head over back to your home screen on the app, then simply tap on network. Then once you're inside network, select devices or connected devices and review everything that is connected. If you see anything unfamiliar, simply change your Wi-Fi password and reconnect only your trusted devices. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.